Hello people, welcome to Excelsior Studio. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe, and to get a notification, click on the bell icon. Hello people, welcome to Excelsior Studio. Be creative, be yourself. I'm your host Suraj. So in this video I'm going to unbox a new game which I've got for my PS4. So basically I was not there on my channel for some days before because my house is under construction, means we are painting our house, so I'm busy in that work. So let's go ahead and see the game which I have got, and it's FIFA 18 guys. I know it's late, but I was not a fan of FIFA 18 by the way. My friends, they told us to play the fantasy league. As you know, if you don't know what is a fantasy league, of the matches in the FPL, it means Fantasy Premier League, which goes on in England. So all the things will be given in the description below guys, please go ahead and check it over. So let's go ahead and open this box, and yeah, let's keep this going aside. And here we are guys, we have FIFA 18. I got this for 3,600. The main price is 3,500, but the 100 rupees charge for Prime. So I ordered it yesterday in the afternoon, so I got it today like at 2:30. So it's nice, the covering is nice. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh fuck, I thought there is no CD inside this, but there is a CD guys. FIFA 18, that's also. Let's see what's inside over here. Yeah, they have written the PlayStation Plus, everything about that. By the way, I have the PlayStation Plus guys. Try for free. Why not get started today by downloading your free 14 days trial for PlayStation? I have done the 14 days trial, so let's forget about it. And this is the warranty guys, limited warranty. We get it with this CD, so please check it out. And here is the ultimate team. By the way, let me see which is this one. Okay, this is not an ultimate team, this is FIFA 18 official licensed product guys, Peggy 8. So this CD is awesome. I will show you. Look at the CD itself guys, isn't it awesome? FIFA 18. So if you like this video guys, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And if you have not seen my gaming channel yet, please go ahead. There will be a card up over here. Please go ahead and click on that channel, and please do subscribe that channel also. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe. Okay, I told all that, I'm sorry for that. So please check out the video which I have put on for how to download FCP 10 new version for free, for Mac users. So thank you for watching this video guys, hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up. We are aiming for 40 likes on this video. So thank you for watching this video. Peace out.